Okay, go. Oh my god, that one's what the? You're done. You're already done with that?
Yeah. I'm trying to burp. Hold on. That feels so weird. You're gonna show this to all your friends on.
Huh?
You're gonna show this to all your friends on.
What friends?
Oh, you don't have friends? Oh, that's right, you're a loser.
Oh!
I'm just kidding. I was really gonna hit you with it. Come on, Anthony. Just kidding. Anthony's cool. Dude, that's so annoying. I hate that.
Poopy corn!
Beat man.
Beat man!
Jonathan Hex. Oh, it's Jonah Hex. Revenge gets good.
You're dumb!
It's ugly. Okay. Redemption. Rockstar Games.
Risen.
Ferrari. Flying colors. Some weird picture with like leaves. White stuff coming out of her eyes.
You're stupid.
Hey, Bugs, look. In my mouth.
Grody. Dude.
You still have that Earth Day thing from the...
Yeah, I
That's
stole
from
it.
2 years ago. No, a year ago. 2 years ago. Right?
1 year ago. Last year, sophomore.
Why? It feels...
Just wait till you see your face. You're making some pretty funny faces. like that one right there.
Yeah.
That was pretty funny.
Prototype. Twins. Not when you're between their boobies.
Oh, dude.
That's right. Yeah, put on your cap and gown.
No.
Why?
Because.
Put on your tie. Like, just, we're nothing but a tie. Like, run around with just, like, nothing on but a tie.
Anthony
And
does
a
that.
little collar. Huh?
Anthony does that.
What?
His girlfriend thinks it's hot.
Wait, he walks around naked with a tie on?
Well, no. He has pants on, but he showed up at a dance with just a tie and pants. I guess I don't know. That's what I heard.
Josh Brolin.
Hot.
Dude, I gotta show you the burp challenge on Tosh.0.
I've seen that. All the girls are burping. That was gross, dude.
the girl like that blonde chick, she's all.
It's like,
That was gross. That one was nasty. That was disgusting. Yeah, I feel awkward.
okay, let's watch it.
That Liberty